20 Essential Steps to Prepare Yourself Before Building Your Own. Hello and welcome. Building your own house is an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be overwhelming and stressful. To ensure that your project goes smoothly and that you end up with the home of your dreams, there are several essential steps that you should take before starting construction. Today, we'll be discussing 20 items to prepare yourself before building your own house. 1. Define your budget. The first step is to determine how much you can afford to spend on your new home. This will help you to make informed decisions throughout the building process. 2. Secure financing. Once you've established your budget, you'll need to secure financing for your project. This may involve obtaining a mortgage or other type of loan. 3. Find a reputable builder. Choosing the right builder is crucial to the success of your project. Do your research and select a builder with a solid reputation and a track record of success. 4. Select a location. The location of your new home is also important. Consider factors such as proximity to schools, work, and amenities. 5. Obtain necessary permits. Before you can begin construction, you'll need to obtain the necessary permits from your local government. 6. Develop a timeline. Building a house takes time, so it's important to develop a realistic timeline for your project. 7. Choose a design. Work with an architect or designer to choose a design that meets your needs and preferences. 8. Select materials. Selecting the right materials for your home is important for both functionality and aesthetics. 9. Determine layout. Decide on the layout of your home, including the number of rooms, their sizes, and their locations. 10. Plan for energy efficiency. Building an energy-efficient home can save you money in the long run. Plan for features such as insulation, efficient windows, and energy-efficient appliances. 11. Consider accessibility. If you or someone in your family has mobility issues, be sure to plan for accessibility features such as ramps or wider doorways. 12. Choose a color scheme. Decide on a color scheme for your home that complements your style and personality. 13. Determine to light. Lighting can make a big difference in the look and feel of your home. Plan for a variety of lighting options to suit different moods and activities. 14. Storage plan. Don't forget to plan for storage space, such as closets and cabinets. 15. Consider security. Plan for security features such as locks, an alarm system, and outdoor lighting. 16. Choose to landscape. A landscaping plan that complements the style of your home and enhances its curb appeal. 17. Consider future needs. Think about your future needs and plan for features that will accommodate them, such as an extra bedroom or a home office. 18. Technology plan. Plan for technology features such as wiring for high-speed internet and smart home automation. 19. Consider sustainability. Plan for sustainability features such as solar panels or rainwater harvesting. 20. Prepare emotionally. Finally, be prepared for the emotional roller coaster that comes with building a home. Expect setbacks and challenges, but also enjoy the excitement and satisfaction of watching your dream home take shape. Conclusion. Building your own home can be a challenging and rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning and preparation. By taking these 20 essential steps, you can set yourself up for success and ensure that your dream home becomes a reality. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your building project.